Yes, Mr.
Lordship. Well, I seek your Lordship's indulgence to move a matter as unlisted, if it is possible.
What is the matter about?
There is an award of contract. I was also one of the bidders. And despite there being certain stipulations in the NIT, the contract has been awarded, we say that in violation of the tender conditions.
Any urgency? It's already been awarded.
Urgency is that, my lord, on 15th it has been awarded. 15th. And the time is 18 months for completion. So within a day or two, maybe they will be signing the agreement.
Let it come tomorrow. I don't think this, because we're a bit packed today, we have some other problems. There's this inspection today in the afternoon.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow. It's already been filed.
Yes.
Yes.
Nothing. Well, also, I beg to mention another fresh matter for listing of it tomorrow. This is a CRP petition, Milords, challenging an order passed by the Learned Commercial Court, whereby the Learned Commercial Court has held that only the district court has the power to extend the mandate of the tribunal, which is contrary to a long line of cases which has been held by various high courts. And the matter, Milords, is coming up tomorrow before the district court. So I am requesting
Milords, fresh matter.
This matter. It's a fresh matter. I am requesting that it may be listed tomorrow. Highly obliged.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23, Lordship.
23?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, this matter may be listed after 4 weeks, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, as far as this matter is concerned, we will receive an information that compromise is going on, Lordship.
That's correct.
My lord, that is also off record. We have been informed, madam.
Okay, as talks of settlement are going on, this matter for 4 weeks.
4 weeks, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention this item 30 also, Lordship.
30?
30, Lordship. Lordship, this matter may come up after 3 weeks, Lordship.
Why? Regarding Muslim Darbar matter?
Lordship, we require to
2 weeks, yes.
need some instruction, Lordship. Highly obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 22.
Number?
22. District Council Pensioners Matters. District Council Pensioner Matters. Some more time, Lordship.
Some more time for?
They are supposed to come with instruction regarding the plan to how to disburse their pension, Lordship.
Forget it, you'll never get pension until you get some money from the state. Okay, 1 week.
After 2 weeks, Lordship, because the contempt matter is also coming after 2 weeks.
Let be last chance because they have been asking time for 7 times.
What's the last chance? So what can you do?
Because 7 times they have been asking time, Lordship.
Even if they go to jail also, you won't get your pay, your pension. It will not serve any purpose.
Positive talks are going on.
Positive talks, negative talks, you don't know any. Yes.
Yeah, please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 27 for 2 weeks.
27 for?
For the petitioner.
No objection, Your Lordship.
2 weeks, yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 24.
20?
24.
24.
I pray that this matter may come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Your Lordship, actually in this...
You have objection?
No objection, Your Lordship, because the IO concerned also, Your Lordship, had passed away. So it was re-endorsed to another IO, Your Lordship.
Okay. 2 weeks, yes.
A similar prayer for item number 26, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side?
Your Lordship, for Miss S. Bhattacharjee, Your Lordship, she's on her legs.
She's on?
On her legs, Your Lordship.
Is just mentioned time, what do you mean on her legs?
She went to the other courtroom, she informed me, Your Lordship.
Already informed to the other.
You informed her?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
22, 23, 23, what 2 weeks, sir?
Lordship,
Yes.
I beg to mention item number 25.
Number?
25.
25.
25.
Dasara shooting.
Yes, Lordship.
How long?
2 weeks.
No objection?
No.
Very good, 2 weeks.
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Your Lordship.
All matter being adjourned. Yes.
No objection. We already informed.
What's the matter about?
For the refund of the money of that have been paid by the petitioner to the respondent, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
29 no mention. Aye.
Item number 1.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, petitioner is serving as Subedar Major in Assam Rifle, posted in headquarter Central Payable Office. By order dated 13/10/2023, he got a transfer order to Manipur. And my lord, he has given 4 applications for last leg of posting due to his medical condition.
How much service does he have left?
It's already over in this tenure.
How many years more of service does he have?
36.
36 years?
36 years in service he has done.
How many more years in service he remains?
He will be retired in 2026, 1st May 2026.
Where's the order?
Order first is in annexure number 2. First transfer order.
Oh, the impugn order, where is it?
It's annexure number 1, my lord.
Which you're impugning?
Yes.
Your number here?
Here,
Serial number
F.
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 What is the ground he's seeking? Last leg.
He has recently gone through a angioplasty operation.
Okay.
Due to heart disease.
When have you been served a movement order?
No.
Not yet.
Not
Yes,
yet.
Dr. Mosika.
Well, I'll require instructions as well.
Where's your medical certificate?
Medical certificate is in annexure 13, page number 32 to 35. It's a discharge letter.
Yes. 34, 35.
32 to 35.
Where is he posted right now? In Shillong?
Central Payable Office, Shillong. Headquarters of Assam Rifle.
You didn't go for the medical board? Yes, Dr. Mosika,
Because it appears, madam, from page 32 that this whatever element that pertains to October 22, madam. Yes,
October 22?
Yes, madam. Page 32, let's see.
Discharge 12/10/22. Is it
He had an operation, my lord, at that time.
whatever it is, 22 and now 24.
The matter comes up after 2 days,
But my lord, he has given posting in Manipur. So with this condition, he cannot serve there. He need medical assistance.
What's your name?
J.A. Sigdar.
J.A. Sikdar. From Mr. Sikdar, under counsel of petitioner, issue notice. Dr. N. Mosika, THEI with so-and-so present, except on behalf or respondent for a notice. List the matter on Wednesday for instructions.
My lord, interim may be given.
We'll see. No movement orders come as yet. Let it come on Wednesday. Yes.
Item number 2.
Thursday, madam.
Thursday, okay. You come with instructions. Transfer matter, it's like that. If there are very compelling circumstances, yes. Otherwise, no. Yes.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I pray that this matter may be taken up on the next date, Your Lordship.
On?
On the next date, Your Lordship. The conducting
What's the
council
next
has some
date,
personal.
according to you?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
No objection.
What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, this is a
Admission hearing?
land-related matter.
Yes, on the prayer, this matter for 1 week for admission hearing is.
Item number 3.
Oblige, Lordship.
My lord, in item number
Have you
4.
filed affidavit?
No, my lord.
Why?
There was some difficulty and due to unavoidable circumstances, my lord,
Due
we
to?
were not able to file. My lord, I'm
What
praying for.
circumstances?
My Lord, due to some difficulty, personal difficulty, we couldn't file the affidavit. I'm only praying if my Lordship
We
can
need the
grant-
affidavit.
My Lord, yes.
Mr. Dar, we need it because
No, I know,
well,
that's
you
a-
say that the
no,
your entire what do you call it? Is been revived because
Now,
of the last
my
letter.
lord, now I'm saying, yes, till yesterday, that they cancelled my the contract. They said there is no maintainability in your writ petition. I replied, but termination, when the matter was pending, they terminate the contract 22nd of December 2000, which we received on 24th. Now it has become more better for me. Termination, my lord, what I am saying, subject to your lordship is to look into whether it amounts to a civil consequence, number one, public element of law is involved, a principle of natural justice. Now they said, to your lordship, just recollect, they said it by efflux of time contract has gone.
Yes.
But today your termination, you made it only in 2013, 2023. And what you have done it. That's why I'm saying, your lordship.
We need the affidavit.
No,
What's the
absolutely
stand?
no problem.
Yes.
Absolutely, because I have already terminated.
Yes.
Your lordship is, I'll ask something to stay, it will be ridiculous to say before this court. Anyhow, subject to further orders, until further orders, subject, that your lordship can pass it.
Well, when are you going to file it? Tomorrow?
The affidavit has been, I'm appearing in this matter for the distribution company. Lots, this affidavit has been filed in the initial writ petition. And today what has changed is only that a formal termination letter has been given to them. Minutes of meeting were already there, which were challenged by way of the previous writ petition. And your lordship is today looking at a scenario where they are seeking.
Where's the other affidavit file? It's
My
filed
Lord, the affidavit is filed in WPC 362 of 2023. That is item number 3, my Lord.
That's the first one. We are in the course of filing.
In number 4,
an
we have not
affidavit in
filed
the
yet.
second
my
one
Lord.
also.
In the second one, we have not filed.
Second one also. Lords may have it after 1 week. We will file the affidavit in this petition as well.
Even here not been filed. Here you filed only a short affidavit.
My Lord, yes.
The maintainability.
Because, my lord, this is a case where they are seeking specific relief of a contract by way of a writ petition. And termination, my lords, is aware that cannot be, termination is a completely contractual issue which can be done in a civil suit. But a writ petition is not maintainable for these kind of reliefs.
I will argue. That's my petition. I'll argue and you give a reply. Absolutely no problem.
It's a matter of 1 week for the hearing. Affidavit should be on board for the next date with advance copy to the petitioner.
2 weeks.
Yes.
Can it be, my lord? I know, my lord. 2 weeks, let it come on 15th if it is not inconvenient to your lordship.
15 court won't be available.
Not able. 18 is okay for your lordship.
18 be difficult also. 19th?
19th,
19th. Yes.
19 we just.
Obliged.
Yes.
Only I'll just request your lordship that it can be.
Can be before that.
Before that, yes. Before that, it's okay. 14, 13, 13.
13th, okay.
13. I am deeply obliged, my lord. And that day your lordship will kindly, if the matter...
No, we'll examine it because
examine.
you come prepared.
Yeah, I am
so
prepared.
At least court will read also the affidavit and see what they have to say.
Definitely, one affidavit has to be looked into.
File affidavit.
No, your lordship.
They haven't filed.
You have not filed, my lord, because still awaiting his result.
This 22 matter.
My Lord. My Lord, the union was make a party in one,
Subsequently.
after the
Okay.
affidavit was filed by the state.
What to do?
One more opportunity.
What is the
Pursue with them. See next time.
that bill?
My Lord, yes.
Even of
It's for which
MORTH, my Lord.
OMRTH, okay. Okay, further 2 weeks time granted to 405 for affidavit list thereafter. And so on.
6.
Please, Your Worship. Your Worship, I file a rejoinder to the certificate.
You receive copy. Who's there appearing on the other side?
No, I will file during the course of the day, sir. I will file today, sir. Not
You'll
yet.
file? You'll file. You file or you have not filed?
Not yet filed, but I will file today.
You will
sir.
file. Okay. Mr. Nyota submits that you will file the course of the day on this matter for all other file affidavits.
The state is not required to file it.
This is a matter for hearing. Usual course.
7.
But this is a pension matter, my lord. The contempt application is fine. I'm praying for some more time, my lord.
Complied with.
Not yet,
They have not gotten back to me with.
But the only thing regarding that information from Lunglei is something, right?
Look, that has been done. Police verification has come, my lord. Now they are required to give marriage certificate who are married,
Your
not
Lordship,
married.
we have already submitted the same.
Submitted only.
This one, 35.
You kindly use good office, otherwise you've been making this poorly run from pillar to post in a pension matter.
A week's time, my lord. Maybe I'll come with.
1 week's time, final opportunity to appear instructions as to compliance. This thereafter and so and so.
8.
May I please, Your Lordship?
My lord, give us 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit.
You take instructions, you have to clarify a matter, you've confused the court also. He was working as what originally?
Now he's not working.
He was working as what originally according to you?
Sweeper.
Sweeper?
Yes, Your Lordship.
But he says no, he says you're a Mali.
No, Your
He's
Lordship.
reappointed as a
We have not, as per my client instruction, Your Lordship, we haven't received, he haven't received any appointment or he haven't joined any job. I apologize, Chowkidar, Your
You
Lordship.
didn't get instructions regarding November 14, 22 letter he produced. See, you joined as a Mali.
No, Your Lordship. He haven't joined, Your Lordship.
He didn't join as a Mali.
No, Your Lordship.
What's he doing now? Nothing.
Nothing, Your Lordship.
Then this letter, you got this letter, correct?
No, Your Lordship.
This is the one I produced, man.
Yes. With reference, I have honored to inform you, I have joined my duty as Mali. Your name, your Livingstone A. Sangma.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Whose signature is this one then? Is his signature?
Maybe his signature, but
Maybe. But he didn't join anyway.
no, Your Lordship.
How can it be possible? Well, why can't you get instructions on this small matter like this? Whether he's working or not as a Mali there?
He's working, my lord. He even undertake.
He's working.
He's working, my lord.
But as per my client instruction, he's not working. He haven't joined any.
Does he know what he's doing also, the client? Or he think he's doing charity service out there?
No, Your Lordship.
How do instructions matter like this? You get from the principal, whoever it is, Government Girls Higher Secondary School, Tura, directly. Are they party here?
Yes.
They're party principal.
My lord.
They have been served.
Yes, my lord.
They've been served.
Yeah.
But they haven't
I'm
appeared.
They're the party, Your Lordship.
Or you're appearing on
I'm
behalf?
appearing on behalf.
What about the state?
State. I'm appearing for all the
You're
rest
appearing
of
for the state, for the principal also?
principal. Yeah. It's a government high secondary.
Whatever is principal is a different entity. How can we decide this matter?
Let it come a week's time, Your Lordship.
Just postponing it won't help it. Now, since last time, when was the last date this matter came up? 1st of February. You take instructions whether he's working or not as a. With the joining letters there, he's signed, it's sealed. He joined 14/11 and he filed in 2023 the writ petition.
My lord, he even undertake saying that he wouldn't claim this post.
He wouldn't claim?
He wouldn't claim the post that is.
You can find, where's Mr. Day?
Due to some personal difficulties, Your Lordship.
Because our seeking time does not matter routine, other matters, yes. We file an affidavit. Just a moment. Praise for about 2 weeks' time to file affidavit MS and Raji to obtain instructions from the petitioner. Otherwise, he'll ask him to prepare personally and ask him where he's working.
Item number 9.
My lord, may I pray for another 2 weeks to file my rejoinder?
How many times you prayed, Mr.
It's second time, my lord. I've just received instruction. There are documents which
for the 2 weeks' time is prayed. Allowed to the petition for rejoinder. Is there after?
10.
Please, Lordship. This matter I'll be filing my rejoinder during the course of the day, Lordship.
Very good. After this for hearing?
Lordship. Yes.
This for hearing?
Yes, Lordship, it can be.
Let me submit that the rejoinder file course of the day. Call this matter for hearing usual cause.
Lordship.
Much
blessed, Lordship.
11.
May I please, Your Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit, Your Lordship.
Your Lordship, give us 2 weeks' time. Till now, we have not received any instruction.
You are appealing for whom?
For respondent number 5, managing committee.
You don't receive instruction, they're not interested in pursuing the case. Managing committee.
Your Lordship, this is the 2023 matter, August 2022, and it is a non-payment of salary matter, Your Lordship.
You filed it. Why? It's more clearer now. Only do the old affidavit then. You file additional or you want to file?
I want to file.
You file, Mr. Khalungda?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, we'll close it.
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
2 weeks' time as praise granted to Mr. Inakro for filing affidavit. Mr. M. Pala praise without filing affidavit due to subsequent facts. Permission granted. It's up to 2 weeks, yes. You file it, file it.
12.
Where's the petitioner? You file a fresh affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship, we filed, Your Lordship.
What about
Your Lordship will not be filing.
who's for the petitioner? No one's there. None appears for the petitioner just after 1 week, yes.
Much obliged, Lordship.
13.
Might please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, in this matter, I am appearing for respondent number 3, and I humbly pray for the 2 weeks' time to file my counter affidavit.
4 and 5. To MSP Agarwal.
Yes, my lord, I am appearing for respondent number 2. Affidavit on our behalf is not required because it's relating to state resources.
No, Your Lordship, it is required because earlier, as per the employment advertisement, UGC has to pay the salary and allowances of the petitioner.
You file affidavit then.
In this regard, Your Lordship, affidavit is
The petitioner demands he file affidavit. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship?
What are 4 and 5?
Your Lordship, as per last order, Your Lordship was pleased to direct us
Incorrect
to
address.
Incorrect address, but address is not found, Your Lordship. In that event, Your Lordship, let Nehu file the affidavit and can... Because
4 and 5 private respondents.
not private respondent, but that office is already wind up, Your Lordship. So it is
Who's
not
wind
in
up? Wound up. 4 and 5 is?
State Resource.
Okay.
Chairperson, Governing Body, State Resource Center, Nehu, and Director, State Resource Center, Business Complex, Lightingkar, Shillong, Your Lordship. Both are not found, Your Lordship.
MSS Barachai submits that though efforts have been made to obtain the correct address and location of respondents 4 and 5, the same has failed. Stop. She prays that the matter may be continued with the remaining respondents.
Yes.
You will not claim any reliefs against these 4 and 5.
Since they are not available, Your Lordship, it is the
She prays that the
Nehu
same may continue against the remaining respondents. That is the respondents number
4 and
They are number?
They are 4 and 5, Your Lordship.
Number-
They are the pro forma respondents.
Number 1, 2, 3. Stop. How much time you pray?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. MS Rumthau for number 1 submits that no affidavit forthcoming the respondent. MSP Agarwal prays he will have to obtain some instructions. And number 3, Mr. Roy also prays that 2 weeks time be given. This is a matter of 2 weeks for instructions to affidavit.
Much also.
14.
Please, Your Lordship, the respondent had filed an affidavit. I have gone through the affidavit, Your Lordship. I would seek permission to just allow me to file a rejoinder to this.
What's the matter about?
This is regarding that river performing religious...
He said you're allowed to perform, so what's the
Yes,
big
they allow, but there are certain facts which is stated in the affidavit. I just want to reply
What
to
are the facts?
regarding the no objection that they have seek from the Raj and all those things and all.
But that's outside the purview of writ petition then?
Your
Do
Lordship,
you
then-
only limited prayers that you be allowed to perform certain rites or rituals, whatever, in the as customary? Yes.
If I may submit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, here they are stating that they don't require our permission because they have already taken permission from the Raj, Your Lordship.
Permission for what?
Permission to perform the prayer. Because that is the practice that they used to practice these petitions.
No, who you're asking to you're asking to be allowed to perform the prayers, correct?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So you have to take permission to perform prayers.
No, Your Lordship, because they are starting the construction there.
So
The implementation of the JGM scheme from that.
okay
Your
then.
Lordship, yes.
They said they're not obstructing you from performing your
No,
rites.
Your Lordship, but then here they are stating that they don't need our permission. They don't require that because they are annexing this NOC from the members of the Raj. Your
No permission for what? For the project.
For implementation of the project.
Well, who are
Your
you in the
Lordship.
project then? That's a different cause of action altogether.
Your Lordship.
But then here they are bringing this. That's why we want to file a rejoinder, Your Lordship.
That's just enlarging the scope because you have limited prayers
No,
only
Your
to.
Lordship, we're not enlarging the scope. We just want to state some points here in the rejoinder, Your Lordship.
Okay,
Your
file a
Lordship, the
rejoinder,
prayer is
wouldn't worry.
just for allowing them to perform the
Yes.
rites.
Yes, and
Your Lordship, and here we've stated that we're not denying them.
Yes. Although it appears anyhow, okay. As prayed, so-and-so's petitioners 1 week's time to file the joint letters after and so and so.
Obliged, Your Lordship. 15.
I enter appearance. My Lord, I'm entering appearance on behalf of the respondents, my Lord. Both the respondents. My Lord, as far
Contempt.
as... My Lord, contempt. My Lord, so far as our instruction, my Lord, which I have been given, the pension is under process, my Lord. The pension is under process. They have been, as per my friend's expectation, it may not be quite fast, but my Lord, table to table it has gone, but it is not been not blocked, my Lord. It is under
What's the order?
process.
Still been violated.
The order is Annexure 1, Lordship, page 5, the 11th of relevant para, it is para 5. Should complete within 4 months that para 5 is there.
So when does this order pass?
It was passed on 10
August 2022.
Who are the persons you have added as parties?
Chief Conservator of Police. Then the Director Balpakram National Park, Bakmara, South Garo Hills.
What is that game watcher case?
Yes, the game watcher and many others are there. But others they have received. They were 5.
What are the duties of game watcher? Remember what you said? Yes.
Yes.
Anyway, MS Harkolis entered appearance on behalf of the respondents. No further notice is required. Stop appeal to be filed within 2 weeks.
My Lord.
You file, otherwise you'll call them.
My Lord.
Most blessed, Lordship.
16.
Minute, please, Your Lordship.
No,
This
I
is that
need
Weybridge.
My Lord, I need 3 days time, my Lord, to file this counter
What is
affidavit,
this?
my Lord. This is regarding that
Regarding the
Weybridge.
settlement of Weybridge.
Fresh writ petition?
Yes, my Lord.
Fresh. Earlier writ petition is also there in the list, my Lord. While
That-
the earlier writ petition, the status quo order was there, my Lord. They had withdrawn the impugn order challenge.
This order was not subsisting. I think it was of certain date.
Yes. Till 29 January, it was subsisting. Before that, what they did, they had withdrawn the impugn order. Impugn order was withdrawn, And what they did, my lord, I was expecting I would run. They had withdrawn the enforcement also. So this was the situation. So my lord, I pressed for an interim, your lordship. Lordship declined. In fact, my lord, I was in a desperate situation. I preferred an appeal also, your lordship. Now that appeal also, my lord,
So
the honorable
interim order restored.
My lord, no, for restoring. But the honorable court, considering that the matter is for final hearing, your lordships, declined to grant an interim stay. So this is the situation.
Only 3 days time, my lord. On 29, this matter may be fixed, my lord. I'll try to file it by tomorrow.
Well, already that order is there, my lord. Within this time, they are supposed to, considering the urgency.
Only on the last occasion, my lord, the matter came up, and today is the first day, my lord, I am appearing, and.
But lordship will appreciate the urgency, my lord. What is the urgency involved, your lordships? In spite of an order of this court, in spite of withdrawal of the impugn order, my lord, they had withdrawn and they have stopped operation.
At least I should get an opportunity, my lord, to file my counter affidavit.
How come? Why no orders given in the appeal?
My lord, considering that matter is, my lord, for final hearing.
When you want it? After 3 weeks?
No, lordship. It cannot be, my lord. There is a great urgency so far I am concerned, your lordships.
My lord.
He is praying for, my lord, 3 days. By tomorrow, he is saying. My lord, if he files by tomorrow...
Let it come after a week, my lord. I have
no, my lord. He has said, my lord, 3 days. Now he is...
Come after 1 week. Is today is the... Sorry, 26.
My lord.
26. Okay. You can file it in 3 days.
Then I can file my rejoinder. Suppose it's required, my lord. So it will be fine.
Yeah, of course, they will be required. Yes, Mr. Ensign Khan prays funds allowed 1 week's time to file the rejoinder or to file affidavit. The judge will file within 3 weeks or 3 days thereafter. Just for then we list it on
rejoinder, if any, my lord.
Any we listed on 5th.
My lord.
My lord, rejoinder, if any, I will file.
Yes.
If any, by 5th.
29, my lord, tagged together. These two matters. There are
29.
29 is that earlier case, my lord, that is still pending.
That is the old
29,
case.
29.
299, my lord. That is WPC 299.
Item number 29. They are connected. So will be listed together. So for that case is concerned, my lord, pleadings are complete.
What's the 299?
That 299, my lord, they have challenged the order dated 14th July, if I am not wrong, by which it was extended only up to a particular period.
Okay, I
yes.
get it. Yes. 20 Item 20 left together on 5th of March.
For hearing.
Just for hearing.
Yes.
If we are ready.
17.
How much time?
5 months.
5 months.
17, 18, 19 connected matters.
17, 19.
5 months, all of them.
20.
Reply file?
No, my lord.
Why?
Sometime, my lord.
You disappeared for a long time.
I was out of station, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
All this application for modification of the interim order. All we only pray that, my lord, the interim order may continue, my lord. We will confine only to the petitioners, my lord. They will not be disturbed.
We state only as.
They will not be disturbed, my lord, till the matter is decided. But this is seriously affecting the posting of other medical officers. I have annexed the document, my lord. Page 10 of my application, my lords will see. Assam Rifles, CRPF, BSF, ITBP, SSB, my lord. All across the forces, my lord. The posting of medical officers is affected, my lord.
I made a petition. Where's the policy page number? Which number of policy?
Affidavit, my lord, you also will find
what is the policy which has been stated?
That is at page.
Where is that? Lecture L.
Yes.
166. You're not next it in your miscase, Dr. Mozika?
The new policy, madam. Policy, I have not next one.
Not got it 167.
(18.9.23) is the new policy. Where is that? Yes.
This is only with regard to who's the competent authority to decide the transfers, correct?
No, not only that, my lord, whether they should be treated at par with specialist doctor, my lord. Because specialist doctors are posted.
Where is that part here in the policy, Mr. Thapa?
There are 6, my lord, as far as.
No, regarding competent authority, yes. Interfor transfer, where is that?
Interpost transfer.
No, you're concerned with this interforce transfer, correct? Now, what are you concerned about in the policy, Dr. Mazika? What's your...
My lord, in the new policy, my lord, if I may take your lordship to the order passed by your lordship, my lord, page 164 of the petition, my lord.
Yes.
Para 2, my lord. Pursuant to the order so and so passed by this court, the respondent has issued policy guidelines relating to posting of specialists and GDMOs with a PG qualification CAPF and Assam Rifle. Same is contained in communication number so and so dated 23rd July 2021. A copy whereas has been submitted to this court is accordingly treated as part of the record and marked as X. Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. A. Das, submits that with the issuance of new policy guidelines, the grievances of the petitioner have been largely addressed, except for the question of permitting lateral entry of GDMOs into the specialist cadre. Learned counsel submits that if this issue is addressed, the petitioner will no longer have any grievance against their service entitlement. As such, he prays that the direction be issued to the respondents to consider or reconsider this aspect. Dr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent, submits that the issue has been taken into consideration in the policy decision itself, wherein it has been decided that GDMOs with PG qualification will be treated at par with specialists for the purpose of their posting to ensure maximum utilization of their specialization. He further submits that it must be kept in mind that the GDMOs attained specialization while in service at the expense of the state, whereas the specialists who come into service were already pre-qualified as specialists. Be that as it may, in view of the compliance of the respondent to the order of this court, where the matter has been reconsidered and policy guidelines, this petition is disposed of at this stage. However, the liberty accorded to the petitioner to make a fresh representation with regard to the lateral entry of GDMOs with PG into a common specialist cadre. So that aspect was not
touched.
Not touched, my lord, or not decided, my lord.
How does the policy affect how does the order affect the new policy?
So, my lord, under the new policy, a committee was constituted, my lord.
Yes.
With the Director Generals of all the forces, and ADG Medical was the chairman. Now that has been done away with, my lord. Now it says that the Director Generals of particular force will be the competent authority, my lord, to issue in consultation with, my lord, to kindly see.
So, committee is done away with.
Committee has been done away with, my lord.
So where is new policy to give the committee DG concern, sir? That's what I'm saying. Why this number 6? So how does it?
Now, my lord, page 169, my lord. Clause C on the top, my lord.
Yes.
Interforce transfer of all the doctors on case-to-case basis will continue to be decided by the MHA.
So, I mean, you come back to number 6, that means, again, DG is the force concerned with competent authority, not a committee anymore.
My lord, that is the main changes, my lord.
But how does it affect if with their case, how does it impact their case?
But, my lord, that is our case, my lord. It doesn't really impact, because we filed a detailed affidavit, my lord. We have stated all those points.
We're ready for a hearing?
No, my lord. But today I was only instructed. In fact, here Ms. Datta was appearing as an instructing counsel, my lord. She is indisposed today. So I'm only, my lord, rather requested to
do some firefighting.
Make a prayer till fix it till Friday, my lord.
We'll file an objection to some firefighting only.
We'll file an objection to the modification application.
You're supposed to file it since when? An ample opportunity has been given.
My lord can have it fixed sometime this week, my lord. We'll ensure that.
Day after tomorrow. Ask opportunity.
But even if order is modified, subject to outcome of the writ petition, my lord, we are agreeable to that also, my lord. But this is seriously affecting, my lord, for almost.
You can have it day after tomorrow, my lord. At least my lord can take.
But in any case, they are not going to be impacted, my lord. What I am submitting, my lord, the order can confine to them.
Modify it today itself. It's not affecting you. It will not impact you. I mean, in the sense that this.
Only difficulty, my lord. I am not really conversant with this matter, my lord. Today.
To make any concession, you mean?
My lord, you may put it that way also, my lord. Only difficulty is, my lord, we can have it day after tomorrow, my lord. Our instructions.
Yes,
because otherwise also, my lord, the order that was passed on their petition, my lord, because we thought it otherwise if we.
Because it doesn't affect.
We confined that interim order only to them, my lord. When we passed any order, they would have no say.
Where's the interim order? Interim order.
The next interim order, my lord.
It dated.
5/10/23, my lord. Page 8, my lord. Page 8 of my miscase, my lord.
Yes. There's nothing. I didn't. There's not state.
Status quo is to be maintained until the next date.
It's only status quo to be maintained with regard to the petitioner.
But only that much clarification, my lord.
See, apparent terms been made against the impugn policy, which was actually elaborated petition. Dr. N. Mozika praised him without opinion science and appeal completion, final prayer, and next day, how it will status quo maintain the next date.
Status quo is always with
regard to movement of petition only.
Only that was
then
clarified.
We'll take down, yes, This application has been filed for modification of the order dated 5/10/2023, passed in the connected writ petition. Stop. Next, but Dr. N. Mozika, learned DSG, submits that the interim order has impacted the
transfer posting of medical officers.
Transfer and posting of medical officers
in various CAPFs.
In various
Central Armed Police Forces, CAPFs.
Several CAPFs. As such, he praised that the interim order, if any, be limited in its operation only to the writ petitioner who was before this court. Stop. Next by Mr. S. Thapa, General Counsel for the petitioner, though appearing without instruction, submits that praise that he may be allowed some time to seek further instructions and to file affidavit. Stop. This court has noted the interim order dated 5/10/2023, which is continuing till date. The perusal of the same does not anywhere show that the impugn policy dated 18/9/2023, which appears next year L repetition, has been suspended or stayed in any manner. In fact, the only order operating is with regard to status quo that's maintained until the next date. In this view of the matter, status quo would mean only a status quo of movement of writ petitioner in the ongoing matter. In that view of the matter, this case being unnecessary, the same disposal. Yes. Totally unnecessary. The policy never stayed. Then why you want to came for alteration? Contempt.
We came for modification, alteration, or clarification also.
Yes.
Hearing.
I'm deeply aware.
Item 21.
So far this matter is concerned, Your Lordship, I have prepared a short summary of my submission.
Where's your opponent first? You appearing?
No, Your Lordship. I'm not appearing.
4 days back, I was informed that Ravi told me that he will be conducting.
Call him.
I'm calling him.
Can I continue, Your Lordship, or should we wait, Your Lordship? For the upteen time, they have been trying to avoid hearing in this matter, Your Lordship.
We took John lots of times also.
Too many times, Your Lordship.
What's the matter about?
Your Lordship, this is in effect, so far the new pension scheme is prospective in its operation from 1/4/2010. The petitioners in question have been appointed prior to 1/4/2010, and there are decisions of the Apex Court as well of the High Court of various High Courts that the new pension scheme policy will always be prospective in nature, irrespective of the fact whether they are regularized prior to 110 or after 110. The latest decision in this regard, Your Lordship, is of the Guwahati High Court and of the Arunachal Bench of the Guwahati High Court, which there's a decision of the Apex Court also, Your Lordship. I have prepared a short summary which I can't illustratively submit, Your Lordship.
There is a confusion regarding this case. Mr. Sengupta is not on his leg, and Mr. Gurung said he is appearing in another case, not in this case. So, Your Lordship, may you please to...
See, can we accept those kind of excuses?
No, Your Lordship, it is not at all, but...
this is not the first time.
First, it is...
Sengupta is on leg before court number 3, Your Lordship, now. His matter is going on.
Sometime back, he was in the office, Your Lordship.
But now he's assisting Andy Shola in that case, Your Lordship.
So sorry.
Who pleads judgment? This one? Apply marriage. It goes against you. This Very difficult to conduct a matter if the counsel is not there.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Let it come day after tomorrow, Your Lordship. The petitioners are losing out. Neither right now GPF is being deducted from almost half, and the rest half they have refused to take the GPF contribution thing. And the new pension scheme, though, there was no contribution at all, no deduction at all. So after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Pension scheme also they've been deprived of the benefit.
Yeah.
A new pension scheme also they're not doing any taking any steps to implement it.
Nothing, Your Lordship.
You argue the matter next date?
Next date, Your Lordship.
Both of you not.
I'll just inform this Sen Gupta contact.
Information is very good, but then you've been to see the Bar Association premises?
I almost got a heart attack on that day. Somehow I managed to control myself.
Next Monday.
Total negligence. It's terrible. And lawyers
I know
also,
the negligence, how thing goes on. I have been warning.
Unless it's a closed premise with a gate and all, then security is maintained. You can't have the watchman like that. Poor old man, what he'll do.
I told the bar members 3 years back when I was about to contest, no more chamber practice in the bar association, no more drinking, no more gambling, no more all those nonsense.
Drinking, gambling is not supposed to be there also. You're not supposed to say it also. But then...
They got annoyed. I was voted out.
Should have been very strict actually, because it's not a closed. Bar should be a closed premise. If there are valuable records, the PI room is there. All the case diaries have been lost.
All those.
How will they reconstruct those case diaries of police?
Not only this
That is case records, court records maybe. Only that some lawyers keep original documents of their clients. Land documents.
Original documents.
Original documents. It's a chamber.
Because many years, because mid-succession cases are there, many people are there with the all the original documents. Should have seen it coming. Anyway.
Lordship, I have a humble request after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Courts at the mercy of lawyers. That's why I'm asking the bar session.
Lordship,
we're at the mercy of lawyers. If the
Your
lawyers
Lordship would look at the records.
The court, we can't do anything also.
If you look at the records, Your Lordship, this is not the first time on some plea or the other. I have considered many times on this or that. Not really.
Who's appearing in this case? Ravi Gurung or Sen Gupta?
Mr. Sen Gupta, Your Lordships. And sometimes I was just...
Sometimes he appears Gurung also.
No, myself just representing the state, nothing else, Your Lordship. In that even what, Your Lordship, I am requesting, Your Lordship...
when we were panel advocates, very diligent. If a matter is there, we used to be there.
No.
I was a panel for a long time. I never accepted senior because... But then we used to be there when the matter is called out. And taking time was enema because like we knew that we don't know when the next circuit bench will come. Just to
day after tomorrow, little difficulties that by next Friday, if he doesn't come, then I'll prepare, Your Lordship.
Next day after tomorrow, why?
Because other matters are there, Your Lordship. Those PWD cases of ours.
No, let them come up here. What's there? Call them now only. How can start something matter? That's difficulty also. I refused unlisted motion also. I thought that, this matter will go on to one or two matters and we have to go for inspection of that place. And
to help the court, I have prepared this short summary so that we don't have to be burdened with the... So.
Okay, day after tomorrow.
Yes,
Tell him to appear, Sen Gupta.
Much obliged.
Yes, due to the unavailability of Mr. S. Sen Gupta. This is matter day after tomorrow is a fixed matter. It's already part heard for how long?
I'm extremely sorry, Your Lordship, for not being able to answer.
31.
Much obliged.
31.
Jogi.
What are those parts on 6-2?
You are in 31. Jogi. This has become infractious, Your Lordship. This is that election of Umsning headman. Huh? Oh. 13, 31, no?
Please, Your Lordship. With regards to item number 30, Lordship, I was actually appearing in the court number 2. I think the matter was mentioned. And in this matter, Your Lordship, my humble submission is that the matter has become infructuous.
Which
and
30?
On item number 30, Your Lordship.
Who's the other side?
I'm appearing for the respondent number 3 here.
Oh yes, where's Mr. Kanta? Babu Rantitiang?
Yes, Your Lordship.
It's infructuous.
Lordship.
That election has been conducted, Your Lordship.
You call this, where's these people? Why are you mentioning them unnecessarily?
Umar, right?
Who's that Mr. Chauraiswar Tidahar again mentioned? Yes, you're local council?
Lordship, I'm appearing for the respondent.
Are you local council?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Or are you from Umsning? No?
No, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Al-Kareem, conducting counsel for respondent number 3. Lordship, in this matter, I had filed my affidavit bringing on record the sanad.
Anyway,
Okay, Lordship, day after tomorrow?
yes, you just have to take the order, yes. Item 30. Item 30 was like the matter, though adjourned by the petitioner. He didn't inform you?
I was not informed, Your Lordship.
No, Your Lordship.
The matter to mentioned in the morning, it appears that was brought information to the respondents who have brought to notice of the court that the matter has become infructuous. So accordingly, this is matter day after tomorrow. Supplementary list for orders.
Much obliged.
Why they took time then? That's why I keep on saying that, please inform the other side if you're going to take time.
Like they used to say, Your Lordship, in bygone days, material instruction was not there.
But even then? Yes.
Much obliged.
30?
31.
31?
My Lord, here this is the transfer petition, my Lord. The respondent has filed an affidavit.
What did he say?
So we have to file a rejoinder to this.
Oh, rejoinder. What is here? Let's see.
My Lord, primarily at page 3 of my affidavit, my Lord. In fact, starting from page 2, my Lord. Subparagraph C, my Lord. We are given the table indicating his entire service profile, my Lord. Now, Lordship, at column row G, my Lord, Lordship will see.
Yes.
Compassionate posting from 19 to 21.
Where? Haflong?
In Haflong, my Lord. Then again compassionate posting in Shillong, my Lord, 21 to 23. Now, my Lord, we have annexed the policy, my Lord, that Lordship will see at page 25, my Lord.
So you have availed it 3 times?
So twice she has availed compassionate posting, my Lord. And my Lord, compassionate posting tenure is only 2 years, my Lord.
No, see, 21 to 22. And
Twice, my Lord.
H to 7 only a few months.
Few months.
Then again a few months, that means 19/7, 21, 2 years, that means should be 19/7, 23. You began 31/12/23. So
23 and then 25, my Lord.
How?
If my Lord,
well, you've been given from
19, my Lord.
From you've been
6,
given
4,
no,
19.
you've been given from 22 last time.
22, then also 24 March, my Lord.
Yes.
If admission also.
24 March over now, coming next month.
No, my Lord. My
Yes.
Lord, but the transfer order has been passed in the, my Lord, in November. Prior to that, my Lord. That was our case, my Lord.
That's not correct, my Lord. Lordship will see the last column, my Lord. From Jwalamukhi posting, the season compassionate posting, my Lord.
From?
G, my Lord. Raw G.
Yes.
Haflong, this is also compassionate posting.
Yes.
Then next is RG Shillong, my Lord. This is also compassionate posting. And then, my Lord, this is a posting from Shillong to Shillong, my Lord. This has to be counted from 19/7/21, my Lord. We have set in office in the same premises, my Lord, from one office to other office, my Lord. This was a
one table, another table.
One table to other table, my Lord.
She's lucky.
And compassionate posting cannot exceed 2 years, my Lord. That is.
Where's the policy?
Page 25, my lord.
How old is the client, your client?
My lord.
Age, joined since 2005, 18 years of service.
Where is that? Where you?
The policy, my lord?
Yes.
See, the petitioner is 43 years, my lord. Policy at page 25, my lord.
Yes.
Para 46.
So what is your case now? Last leg posting?
My lord?
You're saying last leg posting?
Yes, my lord.
Is it not even last leg post? She is only saying, my lord, she'll complete 20 years of service.
20.
I'll just point out, my lord. Page 4, subpara G, my lord. What she is saying, my lord?
Page 4.
Page 4 of my affidavit, my lord.
Insurance posting order.
The petitioner submitted an application for extension of tenure till her completing 20 years of service, that is up to 15/7/25 in Shillong, stating that she would proceed in voluntary retirement with effect from 31/7/25 due to domestic reasons, and hence she may be allowed to serve with RSR Directorate till then. However, request of the petitioner was not considered by the competent authority due to the prevailing policy as mentioned below. Para 46 of the Record of Instruction provides that compassionate posting tenure is 2 years, which will not be extended under any circumstances. Paragraph 31 of the so-and-so provides that any request for extension of tenure will not be entertained once the posting order is issued, as it affects the complete planning process and also chain of postings. A single employee cannot be accommodated beyond prescribed compassionate posting tenure of 2 years at Shillong Goods Station by denying opportunity to other deserving waitlisted employees. Extension of tenure on pretext of voluntary retirement cannot be a ground, since application for same may be withdrawn by the petitioner at any stage. Undertaking to that effect submitted by the petitioner is not a valid document, since diversion of mind at a later stage on the pretext of continuation of service on various reasons cannot be denied by the competent authority.
Yes, Raj, what to do?
My lord, even the they are saying that 2 years compassionate posting, my lord. My lord, even compassionate posting of they have calculated, my lord, can come to G. My senior was 21, 19 to 21. Page 3 in that table itself. My lord.
Yes.
19 to 21.
See,
Mala.
This is up in 1907, 21 to 28 to 22. Then now you calculate 21 to 23. So 1907, 21 to, then if you have been over 1907, 23, 2 years.
My lord, if
then
that calculations comes, my lord.
What calculation?
If 2 years, 2 years. And as per policy, they say that compassionate.
So you mean the first order was wrong also?
Yes.
That should have been 19/7, 21 to that means to 18/7, 22.
Yes, madam.
Or 23, sorry.
23, madam.
23. And then again from
23.
19/7, 23, it'll come to 18/7, 25.
25.
How will you calculate like that?
My lord, 2 years. They're on admission. As per policy, my lord. 2 years. Compensate appointment for 2 years, my lord.
Now you serve more than 2 years after 21.
My lord, if that be so, my lord.
You're taking around a fresh order. So it's a fresh order, the whole thing gets rewinded. Start again from zero.
Definitely, my lord.
It can, well, we have stated at page 8, my lord. Para 8, my lord. I'll just read, my lord. Postings are purely
cold and hot
administrative in
cannot
nature,
blow,
need to be
together,
executed as per the schedule. Therefore, posting of the
and cold
petitioner
cannot.
from RG's directorate to Arisa Shillong, located in the same premises.
Where is this? Where are you reading?
Para 8, madam, page 8.
Yes.
From fourth line, but therefore, posting of the petitioner from RG's directorate to Arisa Shillong, located in the same premises, what ordered in organizational interest to make up the deficiency created by posting out of Hindi typist of Arisa, and there was no change of duty station of the petitioner due to posting. Therefore, her tenure of posting will be counted from her initial date of posting.
He's trying to take advantage of that tenure posting.
Man.
Sorry, Mr. Jha.
My lord, then I have to file a rebuttal of this, my lord. To justify, if my lord, they have shoved me copy. I have the.
When do you file affidavit?
On Friday.
Friday, my lord.
You file on Friday?
Yes, my lord.
Where the matter was listed on?
Why is come to hearing this then?
That's surprising, my lord.
Okay, I'll give you 3 days time to file affidavit. We'll hear it next Friday. Or this 3 days time? Yes.
For last leg posting.
3 days time cannot be, my lord. At least a week, my lord.
Okay, 1 week.
My lord.
That's only to be fair, because
definitely,
I'm telling beforehand.
My lord,
tell her to get ready with her bags. That's all. You have to prepare her also.
It's cannot be hot and cold
Yes,
together.
It has been filed by the respondents. Mr. Arjha Paresh for 1 week's time to file reply. No further time will be allowed. Matter will be listed, will be posted for hearing immediately on filing the rejoinder affidavit. Yes.
Hello.
Yeah, Dr. Sundan.